Alright, Devon Connors with Heli Direct here. This is the new HD 500, exclusively coming from Heli Direct. We're gonna go over a little bit of the frame design right here. Of course you got all this carbon fiber, but then once you get into the electronics tray, it's all connected. You can see the motor mount is connected to the electronics tray, which is all aluminum. It's a really high grade aluminum, so it's really strong. It'll survive a crash and hopefully save all your electronics. But also, it'll also act as a heat sink for the motor.